What's up, everyone? It's your boy Osito and his adventures, and today we're back with another banger. If it's your first time here, I want to introduce myself. My name is Isaac, better known as Osito and his adventures, and in this channel we talk auto detailing. I show you the in and outs about how I run my business. We do product reviews and we talk about life. So if you like content like that, make sure you hit the bell notification, but first you gotta subscribe so you don't miss another video like this. Now that we got that out the way, let's get straight into the video. In this video, I want you guys to come along with me and do a full interior detail with carpet shampooing. So we're gonna make sure that we do an interior detail in this vehicle, ensuring that we leave it nice and disinfected, clean, shine and protected. And we're gonna make sure that we take care of all the seats and carpet by also doing a little bit of shampooing, guys. So I'll make sure to break it down, talk to you guys along the video, let you know what's going on and the steps that we are doing. And as always, if you have any questions or if you want to give me some of your tips and tricks, please feel free to comment down below in the comment section. Remember, it goes down in the comment section. We interact in the comment section and we just get a lot more information there, guys. So comment down below. Some of the first things that I like to do when we're going to perform an interior detail is I like to remove the personal belongings and all of the garbage, right? So as you guys can see, we're going to remove personal belongings from the center console. This is going to be optional to you guys. If you don't want to do something like that, make sure you tell your client. I do not go inside your center console. In this case, and in most of the cases, you know, we don't mind going inside there, but we first like to ask, any needles, anything that can harm me? If the answer is no, then we just follow up with, okay, take care of those areas, but it's too much personal belongings, so there is an extra fee. Like I said, this is optional and your business, but this is how we do mine. Once we start removing everything from the center console, guys, we are gonna move over to the back seat. As you guys can see, there's a lot of personal belongings, clothes, and etc. Like I said, I don't mind removing those things, but there is a fee to that. So I grab these things, put them in the trunk, and we keep on rolling, right? Once you get rid of all the personal belongings, you're ready to go, man. You have an open canvas, right? So no more garbage, no more personal belongings. The next step, what we're gonna start doing is we're gonna start blowing off all the debris, all the dust, everything. So we're just gonna use the vortex, or in your case you might be using the tornado, whatever you're using, just blow off everything, right? We're gonna blow off everything to the carpet. While I was putting things away into the trunk, I know you've seen that my brother was already kind of vacuuming, so this is gonna just help out a little bit more, right? We're using the vortex and the vacuum at the same time, just taking care of business. Alright, my detailing grizzlies, as you guys can see, we are all done with the blowing and dusting, right? So now it's time to get to the actual cleaning. As you guys can see, we are using a scrubber from Suds Lab, and I'm pairing this with the Serrano sauce, guys. The Serrano sauce is a great option whenever you got a pretty beat up trash vehicle. In this case, that's what we're dealing with. So we are using a little bit of Serrano sauce. If you're not familiar with that, I believe it's 10-to-1 with 8 drops of Dawn dish soap. Crazy, right? But it works. We also have Interior Express by PNS right in hand, guys. So in sections we're gonna use that, and in sections we're gonna use Serrano sauce. I really love to pair these scrubbers along with some of my brushes. That way I can use my brushes in certain areas. I'm not gonna waste my time scrubbing down all the panels, right? But I am gonna use my brushes in like the button areas on the doors, right? The air vents, the center console, those type of areas. That is where I am gonna use my brushes. I'm not gonna waste my energy in any other sections because I got my scrubber and I got other things to help me, right? Don't forget to pair this with your steamer. You probably won't see it in the video as much, but I am using my steamer in the process as well. As you guys can see, guys, I'm using my brush and using a little bit of Serrano sauce to get inside the air vents. Then I'm gonna follow up with the steamer, and right after that, the vortex, baby. And you guys are gonna see that the results, they're there. They're there. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we are dealing with the sticky situation right here. This is the door handle, right, to the vehicle, and it seems to be like something sticky. I'm not sure what it is. It could be candy or something. I already got rid of mostly everything with my finger and a few little picks, right? But right now we are gonna lay down a little bit of Serrano sauce. We're gonna let it dwell, just break down a bit. We're gonna follow up with the steamer, and as you guys can see, I'm gonna use this plastic tool with my rag, and that's just gonna scrape up everything that's right there, guys. We were able to do some pretty good results as well. When your steamer is this close to the surface you are working on, you want to be in control of your steamer. Move that thing around. Don't be in just in one little location, right? And also, you're in control of the temp. If your steamer has the option to like lower down the steam output, go on and do that, guys. You don't want it full blast, right? You don't want to damage anything, or do you? And as you guys can see, guys, now it's time for the real action. Now it's time to really get rid of those things, the eye burners, right? So we're gonna go on and do that. First thing first is I gotta lay down my terminator. Pero Osito, you still working with the 3-step system? I am, carnal. It still works for me. It still works for me for some reason. So that's what we're doing, guys. We're gonna follow up with the 3-step system by PNS. That is Terminator, Copper Bomber, and Finisher. And right after that, we're gonna follow up with the Adams extractor that I was able to pick up off of Facebook Market. Shout out to Facebook Market. So yes, we're gonna follow up with the Adams extractor. This is not a heated extractor, guys, but you're gonna see that it still pulls, and the results, they're still there, right? And it's better than the Bizzle, right? So it works. Once I got all that Terminator drilled in, and I'm not doing the whole seat, right? I'm doing sections by sections. Once I got the whole seat covered and Terminator drilled out, wiped down, we're gonna follow up with the Carpet Bomber, and the steps are gonna be the same. Once you're done with Carpet Bomber, follow up with your steamer, do what you gotta do, but you're gonna see that the results are gonna be coming out. So as you guys can see, guys, there's no crazy steam coming out of the extractor, but you can see right there that it is pulling up some of that grime, some of that buildup. So overall, it's doing a pretty good job. It's not going to be the best job, but it's going to be a great job. Alright, my detailing grizzlies, as you guys can see, we are almost towards the end of the video, and let me know what you guys think, guys. Did we deliver those results? Does the vehicle look cleaner? Overall, I think it turned out great. The client was super satisfied, and they told me like this: hey Isaac, I'm gonna see you next year again. This is something that I enjoyed getting from you. We seen them last year around the same time, and it's great to have clients like this, guys, that tell themselves at least once a year, I'm gonna get a detail from Isaac's Mobile Detailing, or you fill in the name, I'm gonna get a detail from this company, right? So with that being said, guys, thank you for coming along with me. I truly appreciate you tuning into my videos. There's so many great channels out there, and I really appreciate you guys tuning into my channel. It really means the world to me. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Remember, all the products that we used are gonna be linked down below if you want to use any of these products, and if you use those links to make your purchase, it supports the business. So remember, every day is a blessing and every struggle is a lesson, so don't be stressing. Yeah.